morning. Human Resources is here.
Well, you beat the coffee line, looks like.
And you're on time. That's more than I can say for some folks.
Punctuality is a feather in my cap.
Do you have an appointment with Sergeant Klein?
Yes, ma'am. 10 o'clock regarding recruitment policy updates.
All right.
For HR?
Yes.
For humans.
So you file complaints?
And compliments.
You're telling me we have a parrot running our HR desk?
Assistant. I'm the assistant.
Best assistant we've had all year.
What if I lodge a grievance about the vending machine?
Form 27B. Peanut butter option.
Need
Your
one?
call, partner.
He likes.
I received complaints.
About what exactly?
Unclear, but very official sounding.
You mean the coffee machine again?
Possibly. Or the donuts. Or the chair that squeaks like a guilty conscience.
We'll open an investigation right away.
Excellent. I'll adjust my eye.
From who?
Me.
Oh, wow. Bold little guy, huh?
He really said that with his chest.
I think we just got told.
Oh.
Yeah, you told us, all right?
Can't argue with that.
This workplace lacks joy. We hear you loud and clear, partner.
What do you suggest then?
More laughter, more snacks, less paperwork,
We can handle the snack part.
progress. Like
Let's begin evaluations.
You heard the boss. Ready when you are, Feathered Sergeant.
Checklist open. Who's first?
Well, the captain said start with patrol reports, right?
Patrol reports, then snack break. Priorities.
Copy that. I'll cue them up.
See? He's
Rate your happiness. 1 to snack.
I'm at a solid 9.
9, not snack. What makes 10?
Maybe a coffee and those peanut butter bars in the break room.
Those bars are gone if you don't hurry.
Snack mission engaged.
Happiness approaching snack level.
Unacceptable.
Unacceptable?
Judging your paperwork, Tramp.
I'm not even done yet. Care to elaborate, sir?
Too many staples.
All right, I'll fix it.
Good cop.
What about me, huh?
He actually spells better than some rookies.
Crunchy?
Crunchy.
That's your official assessment?
Employee morale? Crunchy. Needs salsa.
I'm putting that in the report word for word.
Command's gonna...
We're a family here.
Sounds about right. Can't argue with that.
Everyone looks out for everyone.
And you even take notes for us. Thanks, partner.
Anytime.
Not you!
Who isn't it, buddy? He means the detective behind you, probably. You smell like trouble. He's brutal today.
Cupcake thief.
Max, be nice. They're helping us.
Fine, welcome.
That sounded almost
Watch
sincere.
those pockets. Donut delivery, hot off the box. You want a bite, partner?
Don't mind if I do.
Trust test failed.
Oh, wow. Savage Kiwi.
Evidence remains in my custody.
You set him up. Yeah, and he walked right into it.
Mandatory team bonding.
Is that an order, Sarge?
You heard the memo.
Guess we're doing trust falls in the briefing room now.
Snacks included.
Only if you behave. You bring in the chips? We'll see.
Detective's choice.
Hi, everybody. One clap.
Ready? Go. Now.
Clap.
Too emotional.
Oh my god.
We heard the boss.
He means it.
Noted.
Better.
Here you go, officer. Special delivery.
What do you got for me, buddy?
Tiny paper. Handle with care.
All right, let's see. Warning for excessive enthusiasm.
Ha! That's new.
That one's definitely for you.
Read it twice if you need to. Policy's very...
All right, gentlemen and ladies. Captain Birdie reporting for duty. Who filed the donut complaint?
Not me. I'm just here to witness greatness.
Go ahead, Captain. Show us what you got.
Copy that. Initiating spin maneuver.
Oh, here we
Whee!
go.
Whoa! Smooth as...
Harry HR should always sit here.
Oh, you got opinions now, huh?
Think he's staking a claim, Sergeant.
Yeah, well, it's not a bad idea. He'd probably handle half the complaints just by smiling at people.
And the other half by repeating what they shouldn't have said in the first place.
Equal opportunity squawk.
That's our...
Can we work now?
No!
You're fired. Emotionally.
Oh, wow! He did not just say that.
Savage little guy.
He just fire people like
I
that.
just did.
And he sounds proud about it.
That's because he is.
Just...
Let's discuss your vibes.
You heard the bird. Folders open. Take your time.
We're just looking to understand you a little better. No wrong answers here.
Think of it like a vibe check, not an inquisition, even though we're technically in an interrogation room.
Exactly.
Honest and simple, how you carry yourself, how people feel around you.
Guilty.
Needs improvement as a human.
Oh, brutal. You hear that, rookie?
I'm taking notes, literally.
Anything else, Sergeant Feathers?
Approved. Barely.
I am the culture!
You sure are.
The badge, Sarge? Badge! Culture badge.
No paperwork.
You're gonna have to fill out plenty if you stay here, buddy.
All right, culture icon, you hungry?
What do we have here?
Smells like
Open it! Open it!
Couldn't let her come back empty-handed.
Brought it. I knew you would.
That parrot's more impatient than I am.
Cake code 3.
Welcome home.
Candles
We
next.
missed you.
I'm telling you, if you let me handle the interview, we'd have a confession in 5 minutes flat.
5 minutes? You talked their ear off before they even sat down, Rio.
HR works, that's your guy with the parking ticket. She did fold pretty quick. Exactly. I looked her right in the... What is that?
All right, moment of truth. Drumroll, please.
Oh, here we go. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ta-da!
No way.
It's you! That's me!
But sweeter. Look at those feathers, the detail. I don't even want to cut
Don't
it.
cut me, I'm too pretty!
Relax, partner. We'll just start with
Mercy.
the tail.
Why does HR look delicious?
Did he just say what I think he said?
He did, and he's staring at the donuts like he's got a plan.
Parrot, HR is a person, not a snack. We talk to her, we don't eat her.
Still looks tasty. This is workplace harassment!
Oh, wow! Who taught you that, huh?
Better file a complaint with HR.
Nobody touches the cake.
Buddy, just a slice.
Negative. Policy states cake remains
Buddy,
intact.
just a slice.
Negative.
What policy is that?
Cake remains intact.
My policy.
What policy is that?
My policy.
His policy, apparently.
Well, can't argue with that.
You see how the edge curves here? That's definitely a kitchen blade. We just found it in the stairwell.
Mm-hmm. Bagged and tagged.
Yeah, writing up the report next.
That thing looks sharp, real sharp. I'd keep it away from my tail feathers.
Call legal!
Whoa. Noted, counselor.
You're a little loud today,
Somebody's...
but
You see that slice, buddy? Fresh out of the oven. Whiff time.
That's a bold bite, little guy. Bold bite. Tastes like victory and salt. You hear that? He approves.
Bring forth more crackers, humans.
You're demanding today.
Cop works hard, needs snacks.
We'll see what we can do.
All right, ladies, here's the deal. Coffee machine's down, donuts are stale, and somebody left a half-eaten burrito in evidence. Not pointing feathers, just saying.
sounds like you already filed the report.
I'd stamp it if I had thumbs.
You'd also sign for that burrito, huh?
Look at him. He's ready.
Go on, buddy.
Benefits approved.
No way. That is the best thing I've heard all week.
You hear that?
You're
Paperwork's
hired,
done.
little man.
Got anything else for us?
That's a yes.
Yeah.
You even sound like you're giving a eulogy.
Good employee. Honest bird. All right, I'm up. Desk mountain, here I come.
Look at him go. You're a regular climber today.
Professional, certified.
Want a snack for the road?
Ooh, yes, please. Carb load. You're all watching like it's an action movie. We can't help it. You're the star. Then roll credits. Happy HR review complete.
That's what we like to hear.
So we're clear for takeoff, Captain Parrot?
Cleared and certified.
Guess that means we can finally file those transfer papers without a hitch.
You know, for a bird, you run a tight ship. Feathers crossed.
Right.
Good work. Let's get those forms signed while he's in a good mood.
Attention! You survived orientation. That's the premise.
Look at that form. Perfect salute.
Welcome to the squad, rookie.
Thanks, Sergeant.
I don't say this often, but I'm proud of you, Featherless One. You kept up, didn't spill coffee, and nobody arrested you yet.
High praise from our resident mascot.
Don't let him fool you. He likes you.
He looks ready for roll call.
Remember your training.
Ah, he sounds more serious than some rookies I know. Yeah, and he actually listens. You hear that, partner? No excuses now. Stick with him and you'll be fine.
Good up. You settling in, partner?
He looks like he's about to brief us.
And protect the snacks.
Oh, that's an order now.
He takes sustenance very seriously.
Don't worry, we've got the break room on lock. Nothing's getting past us.